Hey guys, welcome to Learn with DevOps Engineer channel. Like, share and subscribe for more videos. In the last video, we have seen how to create a Docker file for Node.js application. In this video, I am going to update the source code for the new version of application. Let's get started. I can show you a overview what I'm going to change exactly here. No items yet, add one above. So I'm going to change this particular text inside the source code. So let's go there. I'm going to go to the JavaScript folder in app.js. It is exactly in line 56. So I am going to edit in here saying you have no items yet. So I'm going to save this particular file, then rebuild the application. To rebuild the application, I'm going to use this same command, docker build -d getting started. Press enter. This will start the rebuilding the application for the newer version. So this will take some time. So as you can see, the application got rebuilded. So I'm going to run this application. Let me clear the screen and rerun the application on the same particular port. Docker run -dp 3000 getting started. As you can see, it got failed because we already have an existing application which is running. So I'm going to delete that container. So to do that, I'm going to use, there are like multiple ways to delete this particular container, running container. I can use this container ID, or I can go to this particular Docker desktop application. I'll delete from here as well. So remove. So I deleted that container. So let me rerun and see. So the container started. Now let's go and refresh the web page. Now as you can see, no items yet. I'm going to refresh this particular page now. I should say you have no items. You have no items yet, add one above. This is how you update the application. Let me show you other way as well. Let's use container ID here to we'll first stop the container. To stop that, I'm going to use docker stop container ID. So if we look at that, there won't be any container. So I can rerun that. So I'm going to refresh this once again. These are like multiple ways wherein we can delete the container using command line or using Docker desktop. Thank you for watching this video.